So it's a wet day out. It's kind of rainy right now. It's been not too bad. Did some stone work. I'll show you that. But the main goal of this video is to show you the railing and the shape of the porch before I change it. So notice I didn't go to the corner. I don't know, for some reason years ago I was thinking I had to go straight. In hindsight, I wish I would have just angled it right to the corner. So, never too late. In this case, I'm going to do that. That'll make the window look better. I can work on the window molding better. And I had some boards left over. Remember when we replaced the steps there, the wooden steps, with granite or natural stone. So I have some I think they're 1x10s. So with them, I can frame that in. First, I need to remove a good chunk of that railing. I plan on cutting it, removing a section. I think I screwed it in. I'm going to have to, from the back side, so I'm going to take my screw gun down and see if that's the case. I think it is. And then if it is, I can pull a bunch of screws and then cut it. I think what I'll do is I'll start my slant at this post right here and then angle it over. I think that will look good. I can use the same railing, put the same railing back up. I may need to find a 2x4, but I can find that later, or plane something out to work. And then a transition for the railing, and then we can do a bunch of molding. So there's a bunch we can do, but I think I'm going to start on that next. So I did do some stone work. Show you the progress over the last few days. I was able to locate, when I was going through a pile, let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces for steps right here. That was always kind of high since we raised that, the shed. And this is looking really good. So this is not the first table or bench or whatever you want to call it we've done, but it's just so beautiful stuff. Kind of hate to cover a lot of it gets covered up, but I try to show the corners. Can't see a lot of it, but you do get a feel for all the different types of stone in there. And then our turnaround spot is nice. It gives us more room here, so that's worked out well. The steps have been working out nice. We have Ava watching here. And this little area here, I decided to try a little table here. These are, we used to use as samples. It's all different types of granite, natural stone, mainly granite. So I had leaving enough room. I didn't want to go tight against the building anyways. So I had enough room to do another layer of, another coat of paint there. And then I may start putting molding around the windows too, real soon. Okay, it's time to get working.